Today we will start a new chapter. The chapter name is current electricity. Current is nothing but the rate of flow of charge. When that charge is moving, at that time the study of that charge is called as a current electricity. Here, before starting the main points of this chapter, if we can see a complex network, at that time how we can find out the current within that complex network. For that, the Gustav Robert Kirchhoff gives two laws in 1824 to 1887. He gives two laws, and in that, before starting these two laws, we will learn the 3 points in that. The first is junction. Any point in a network at which two or more conductors are joined together, then that point is called as a junction. What is junction? Junction is nothing but any point. If suppose we can consider this is the point at which two or more conductors are joined together, then it is called as a junction. The second term, that is before after that junction, the next term, loop. Loop is nothing but a closed track in a electric circuit. That closed track or closed circuit is called as a loop. If suppose we can consider this circuit in that AB, a loop ABFGA is called as a closed loop or a loop. Again, the third term, that is branch. Branch is nothing but it is a part of the electric source between two junctions, or a network between these two junctions. Suppose B point is the first junction and F point is the junction, and between that two junctions is called as a branch. A part between the two junctions is called as a branch. Here there are three branches. Suppose from B and F are the junction. This is the first branch. B to F is the second branch, and B to B, C, D, F, this is the third branch. Now we will learn about, that is Kirchhoff's current law. In that, the statement for that current law, or it is also another name Kirchhoff's first law or a current law. In that, the current close, or we can say that algebraic sum of current at any junction is equal to 0. What is the statement? Algebraic sum of current is equal to 0. In that, the algebraic sum is considered I is equal to 1 to n, or I is equal to 0. This is the mathematical equation for that current's law. In that, algebraic sum of current at any junction, that is I is equal to 0. Summation I is equal to 1 to n, I is equal to 0. I is nothing but the current of that ith conductors in the closed circuit. And here we use a sign convention. When a current towards the junction or arriving the junction, that current is always positive. What is towards the junction? That current is how it is a positive, and the current which leaving the junction, then that current is negative. If we consider here, this is I1, this is I2, that is current I3, I4, I5 and I6. Those arrow which goes towards, then it is called as a current goes toward the junction, and those arrows away from that junction, it is leaving the junctions. And so I1 having which sign? Suppose I1, it is toward the junction, so it is having a positive sign, that is I1 plus. After that I2, it is not plus, I2 is goes away from or leaving from the junction, so I2 is minus sign. Again I3, which sign for that I3? It is towards, so it having a plus sign. Again I4, it is also having a plus sign. I5, it is leaving the junction, and so that I5 having a negative sign, so we should write here minus I5, and I6, it is also leaving, so it should having a minus sign equal to 0. Those are the minus sign, they are goes to the right side of the equal sign, and so we should write here I1 plus I3 plus I4 is equal to I2 plus I5 plus I6. This is the Kirchhoff's current law. Now we can learn about Kirchhoff's voltage law. In that, when Kirchhoff's voltage law or Kirchhoff's second law, in that we consider here a complex network. In that is, these are the resistance, that is R1, R2, that is R3, R4, R5. These are the currents I1, I2, I3, and this R4, and E1 and E2 are the electromotive force. The statement for this Kirchhoff's voltage law: the algebraic sum of potential difference, and EMF of a cell is equal to 0. Algebraic sum of potential difference is nothing but the product of current and resistance. If we remember about the Ohm's law, from that we can say that potential difference is nothing but the product of current and resistance, and from that we say that algebraic sum of potential difference and EMF of a closed loop is equal to 0. This is the second statement, and we can write that second law in terms of a mathematical equation: summation IR plus summation E is equal to 0. Here also we should use a sign convention. There is the two sign convention. In that, while tracking the loop of a closed circuit, in that, if tracking along the direction of conventional current, then potential difference is considered negative. Along the conventional current, tracking is along the conventional current, and then how we can consider that potential difference? That potential difference is considered is negative. Again, when that conventional current is, or the tracking is opposite to that conventional current, then potential difference is positive. Are you getting it? When potential difference is negative, when the tracking along the direction of a conventional current, then that potential difference is negative, and the tracking which we choose, it is opposite to that conventional current, then potential difference is the positive. This is the convention for the potential difference. And second, while tracking the loop, in that when the tracking is in the source from EMF is a positive, when tracking is from positive terminal, from the negative terminal to the positive terminal, when that EMF is positive, when the source tracking from the negative source to the positive source, then we can say that EMF is positive. While when we can say that EMF is negative, when EMF is negative, at that time the source are tracking from negative term to the negative terminal to the negative terminal of the source to the positive terminal of the source. If we can consider here the loop AB, FGA, in that when we can apply this Kirchhoff voltage law, at that time potential difference through this A to B point is how much? I1 R1. It is the direction of conventional current, and so this potential difference is positive or negative? It is a negative. Again, this is the direction of conventional current, in that through this R5 resistance current is I3, and so again that potential difference I3 R5 is again negative, and this one, that is through this resistance R3 the current is I1 and resistance is R3, but the sign is in the direction of conventional current, and so we should write here minus sign. But when tracking the source from negative source of EMF to the positive source, at that time the ends of that source on the positive sign or positive terminal of the EMF, and so we can say that EMF is, or E is positive, so we should write E1 is equal to 0. How we should take the sign convention? Those potential difference are along the direction of conventional current is negative, and opposite to that conventional current it is positive. Again, the EMF, when we should take positive, when EMF is tracking from negative source to the positive terminal of that EMF, then it is takes a positive, and so we should take here E1 is equal to 0, and from this we can say that E1 is equal to I1 R1 plus I3 R5 plus I1 R3. These are the equation when we can solving the loop ABFGA. When we can take another loop, that is in that loop BFD, BFDC and B, in that this is the loop, in that I3 R5 is the potential difference and it is the direction of conventional current, so there is the minus sign. Again, this in the resistance R4, and here the current is flowing I2, and we should write I2 R4, but sign is minus because it is in the direction of conventional current. Again, the tracking of the source from negative terminal to positive terminal, and so E2 is gets a positive sign, and we should write here E2. Again, here I2 and R2, in that I2, potential difference is I2 R2. In that, the direction of that tracking is along the conventional current, and so it gets a minus sign, and so equal to 0. And from that we write that is E2 is equal to I3 R5 plus I2 R4 plus I2 R2. This is the equation for the EMF of that cell for the loop, that is BFDCB. Thank you.